Hi, Green Group. You have something similar to last week because you have again compound words. So two words smushed together to make one new word. You will need 6 different colors. You have 6 different patterns. Let's go ahead and grab our first pattern, or first color, and talk about our first pattern. Our first pattern is going to use the word some in the word. So we have somebody, we have something, we have sometime, we have somehow, somewhere, and someone. Looks like we have 6 different sums. Go ahead and change your color. Let's go ahead and move on to self. Now there is a weird one with self. Himself, that's one person, himself. We have itself, that's talking about one thing, itself. Yourself, you are a person, one person, so yourself. Herself, that's talking about one person, herself. Myself, way down here at the bottom. Me, I'm one person, so myself. Here's where it gets a little tricky. This very last one, this fits the pattern of self, but now we're talking about them, which is plural, which means more than one. So themselves, but the F changes to a V-E-S. So yes, that fits in the pattern. It's just plural, meaning more than one. So kind of tricky on that one. Go ahead and change your color. Let's go on to our next pattern, which is thing. We have everything. We also have, let's see, anything. And then nothing, which is really no thing. And I think that is it. Now, technically, we could also include something. So let's go ahead and circle that one because that's also a thing, but it also has the some in it. So kind of double there. All right, so 1, 2, 3 true ones, and then a 4 kind of double. Go ahead and change. Let's do one. So we have any one. We also have everyone. We have, let's see, and then again, there's a double, someone. Because we also have one, but we also have some. So you have some doubles going on here. All right, switch again. Now we have out, without. We have outside. Throughout, like I looked all throughout the house and I couldn't find my iPad. And down at the bottom, check out. And last pattern, let's go with a pink. We have side, inside, beside, sideways. So you have 1, 2, 3 sides. Okay, so you have like some doubles going on there that follow a few different patterns. Go ahead and take a picture of your list and make sure you study.